Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Twitter developer account. First, you'll need to apply for a developer account on the Twitter developer website. This account grants you access to the Twitter API, allowing you to build various applications. You can create tools for automating tweets, analyzing user data, or integrating Twitter functionalities into other services. It's a powerful platform for innovation. Once your developer account is approved, navigate to your dashboard to create a new project. Think of a project as a container for your applications. Within this project, you'll create your first app. This step is crucial as it generates your unique API keys, including the API key, API secret, access token, and access token secret. Keep these credentials secure, as they are essential for authenticating your app. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more useful content. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough. They are incredibly durable and even come with a lifetime warranty. You can find a link to them and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. The Twitter API provides a wide range of endpoints, each designed for specific functionalities. For example, you can use one endpoint to post a tweet, another to retrieve a user's timeline, or even manage followers. Understanding these endpoints is key to building effective applications. Always consult the official Twitter API documentation. It's your best resource for detailed usage instructions and available parameters. To start interacting with the Twitter API, select a programming language you're comfortable with, such as Python or JavaScript. Many languages have excellent client libraries that simplify API calls. You'll use your previously generated API keys to authenticate your application. With authentication set up, you can then make various API requests, like posting a new tweet, searching for specific content, or fetching user profiles.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.